Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well, and if you are facing any kind of love problem or love issue, then we are here to help you out with very easy love spell that would help you out to get your ex back or your crush in your life. And this spell is very easy. You can do this spell at any time. You have to take a plain paper with you and a red marker. These two things you have to take with you to do this love spell. First of all, you have to write the name of this spell. The name of this spell is Think About Me. The name of this spell is Think About Me spell. First of all, with this, your lover would think about you, how far he or she is living from you. It does not matter. For this spell, that person, how old is, it does not matter. You are younger or older from that person, it is also not effect on this spell. Just you have to give full attention to do this spell, then you would see the positive result about it. While doing this spell, you should be alone. No one should be interrupt you, no one should watch you, no one should ask any kind of question while doing this spell or after doing this spell about this spell. So I'm going to tell you, first of all, you have to make a cloud like this, and then you have to write it. Then you have to write the name of your lover. For example, your lover's name is John. You have to write it like this, and you have to write he is thinking about me. That John is thinking about you. That's it. First of all, you have to write I, then you have to write your name. For example, your name is Rita. I, Rita. Then you have to write John. I know you love me a lot. You can't live without me. You have to think about me You can write here forever, or you can write it 24/7. Then it means that you are also or always, or you can write always if you want to. After writing this, you have to, if that person have your number, then you have to write it, you would call me, sure. You can write this message. Hope you all can see this. After that, here you have to write your lover Rita. Then here you have to write I'm waiting for you. You have to write it all like this. Then after that you have to fold it towards you 4-5 times. Then you have to write it, or then you have to fold it for 5 times. You can do it as well like this, but keep one thing in your mind, it should be folded towards you, not opposite side. It should be like the on that side that you are sitting, it should be towards you. And you have to keep this paper under your pillow for overnight. And you, before sleeping, you have to think about it, and you have to read it, all the things you have to written in this paper. While doing this spell, if you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on our number that is showing the top of the screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.